Hello everyone, welcome to the 5th lecture in this online Node.js programming tutorial from W3 Grads. In this video, we will learn the basics of Node.js, which includes primitive types, objects, functions, etc. So, let's begin. Node.js supports JavaScript, therefore the syntax on Node.js is similar to the browser's JavaScript syntax. Node.js includes primitive types such as string, number, boolean, undefined, null, and regexp. Apart from this, everything else is an object in Node.js. JavaScript in Node.js supports loose typing just like browser's JavaScript. You can declare a variable of any type by using the var keyword. For example, var name equal to Ryan Dahl. Var age equal to 39. In addition, the syntax of object literal in Node.js is also same as browser's JavaScript. For example, var obj equal to, opening curly brace, and author name, Ryan Dahl, language, Node.js, and a closing curly brace. This syntax shown here is same as what we have looked in the browser's JavaScript. Now, the functions are the top-rated members of Node.js similar to the browser's JavaScript. The functions can have attributes and values as well. They can also be treated like classes in JavaScript. For example, you can see a function named display, that has a parameter x, and inside the method body, the code to display the value of x is written. Outside the method definition, the same method is called with an argument value as 100. This code, when executed, will display 100 on the console. Apart from functions, Node.js includes an additional data type called buffer. This data type is not available in browser's JavaScript. Buffer is mainly used to store binary data, while reading from a file, or receiving packets over the network. Also, each Node.js script runs in a process. It includes a process object to get all the information about the current process of Node.js application. Let's understand how to get process information in REPL using process object. I will open the REPL terminal. Now, if you do not know about REPL terminal, please watch my previous video for more details. Now, in the REPL terminal, I will write process.exec path, and press enter. You can see the absolute path name of the executable that started the process, which is nodejs.exe. I can also get the process ID by using the process object. So, I will write process.pid, and press enter. It will display the process ID. In addition to this, I can also find the current working directory of the process. So, I am going to write process.cwd, followed by parentheses, and press enter. This will return the current working directory of the process, which is Node.js in the program files folder of the C drive. Now, let's quickly discuss about the variable scope in case of Node.js. Node's JavaScript is different from browser's JavaScript when it comes to global scope. In the browser's JavaScript, variables declared without var keyword become global. In Node.js, everything becomes local by default. In a browser, global scope is the window object. In Node.js, global object represents the global scope. To add something in global scope, you need to export it using export or module.export. In the same way, you can import modules, or object by using the require function to access it from the global scope. For example, to export an object in Node.js, you can use exports.name equal to object. The example shows how you can export an object. Here, I have exported the log object. Now, you can import log object by using the require function, and use it anywhere in your Node.js project. So, these are some of the basics of Node.js which you need to learn in order to proceed further. I hope you have understood the basics well. In the next lecture, we will look at Node.js modules. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting uploads. Thank you for watching this video.